As shown in the adjacent diagram, Diana applies a constant force of magnitude 300 Newton along the candle of a roller, which makes an angle of 30 degrees with the horizontal. The roller of mass 40 kilograms moves with a constant speed on a rough ground. Take G equals 10 meters per second squared. Now characterize the force exerted by the handle on the hand. So there are four characteristics. Point of application, which is the contact point between the handle and the hand. Line of action is along the handle of the roller, which is an oblique line. Direction, making 30 degrees with the horizontal, and it's directed downward to the left. So, and the magnitude is, according to Newton's third law, F force vector handle on hand is equal minus F vector hand on handle. So as a magnitude, they are equal to each other. We are given the magnitude of the force exerted by the hand on the handle. So we say that then the handle on the hand is equal to 300 newtons. Now the second part, determine the magnitude of the force of friction assumed constant. So now the roller moves on a straight line at a constant speed. Then acceleration is 0 meters per second squared. By applying Newton's first law, sum of external forces is equal to 0 vector. The external forces acting on this body is F vector plus W plus N equals 0 vector. Now because we are looking for the force of friction, which is a horizontal force, then we have to project along x-axis. Along x-axis, we have the x component of the applied force, the one that was represented here by the hand on the handle, and minus F is the friction, so it's equal to 0. Or suppose, let's say it's here plus F, then we're going to write minus. So here we get of x, sorry, this is a plus F. Okay, so Fx is F cosine 30. We do projection on the x-axis. The x component is the adjacent to F, then or adjacent to the angle. So now F cosine 30 plus F equals 0. Then F equal minus F cosine 30, which is minus 150 radical free Newton. Okay, so we keep it here plus. Okay, then we get a negative magnitude, which means that it's in the negative direction of the x-axis. Now 3 projection along y-axis, N plus Fy plus W equal to 0. There is normal reaction of support, y component of F, and the weight. The y component of F, if we do projection on the y-axis, we get that it is the side, Fy will be here, which is opposite and equal to this side, opposite the 30 degree angle. That's why we use sine. So N plus F sine 30 degree minus mg equals 0. Then N move the other two terms to the other side. It's mg minus F sine 30. M is 40 times 10 minus 300 times 0.5. This is 215 Newton.